AlgeBros and AlgeBabes, this is Professor AlgeBro coming at you. Now, we're going to start talking about parallel lines as it pertains to geometry, okay? Now, in my class, I talked about parallel lines cut by a transversal, and we talked about alternate interior angles. Now we're going to talk about slope and the equation of a parallel line. So right here, I want to know the slope between these 2 points. So here is the formula. Now, for some of you that have actually done this, some of y'all get it confused, so let me talk to you about this. This is the change in y over the change in x, or y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to label my ordered pairs. And you go, Professor AlgeBro, does it matter which one's which? As long as it's x and y, that could be x1, y1, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug and play. So the first one is y sub 2. So y sub 2 is 7 minus 3 over 3 minus 2. All right, so 7 minus 3 is 4. 3 minus 2 is 1. So my slope of that line is 4, or 4 over 1, okay? And you go, well, that was kind of easy. Well, yes, it was. So let's talk about a little bit harder one here, and you're going to help me with this one. So given A and B, now, what I do, take a chance, pause the video, and we'll come back. All right, now, here we go. We're going to label them. Now, I'm going to plug and play. So I have -1 minus 2, that gives me my y. Now watch carefully here. This is going to be 5 minus -3. So -1 minus 2 is -3. Subtracting a negative is like adding a positive, so that is going to be -3/8. Now, that's the first part of it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to look at an equation. But before we do that, I want to talk to you about this. You've seen that formula before, right? It is called slope-intercept. This is called slope-intercept form, all right? Now, so what I can do is I can actually find the slope. The slope is m, the y-intercept is b, all right? Now, so what I'm going to do is I would like to find the equation of the line, okay, parallel to y equals 5x plus 2. Now, this is going to be a two-part thing, because I'm going to show you how we do the equation, then I'm going to show you what we plug it into. So first things first, parallel lines have the same slope. So I'm looking, now this denotes parallel, I'm looking for a line that has a slope of 5. We're going to cut here, no matter where you go, math is there. Later, dudes. AlgeBros, if you like what you saw, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Later.